I can see the school.
Today from 7 a.m. to 1 a.m. For reservations, call 645-55. Independence Day sale sa June 11 to 15, 2010 sa Freeport Exchange Duty-Free First Traders Duty-Free Store. Freeport Exchange? Yung Traders Duty-Free ba yun? Oo, totoo. Napakadaming home goods products at super low prices. At hindi lang yan. Ito pa ang mas bongga. Hindi lang home at houseware items ang on sale. 4 days of Todo Bigay discounts. At ano pa? 5 araw ng Todo Bigay discounts din sa supermarket at hardware items. Aba, okay yan ah. This is the real thing. Narinig ko sa radyo. Kaya shopping tayo ha. Sure, shopping na nga ako eh. Don't miss this duty-free shopping experience. Independence Day sale is on June 11 to 15, 2010. Extended store hours on sale day. Our store is located at Building 640 Bourbon Street, Civic Bay, Freeport. See you there. Independence Day sale is suspended until June 17, 2010.
The best music, cool and light. You are the top of your radio.
Yan ba yung may...
Yung magsara tayo.
Lopa!
Beshi!
Bakit na?
Dapat pili ko, di ka mata. Ay,